My name is Adam,
I'm Wilbur.
and this is our project. It's a game where you control two squares, and you have to avoid obstacles and get to the finish line at the end.
Yeah, so we have two players here, and we want to see who gets to the finish line first. And so Adam is controlling the second player, which is the purple square, and I will be controlling the first, which is the blue square. So for me, whenever I press a D key, the square moves to the right by 10 pixels. And for Adam, the forward key is M. So we have sort of like a key event handling situation going over here. And every time we press a key, our player moves to the right by 10 pixels. And again, we want to see who gets to the finish line first. Essentially, we want to see who can press the key faster. Right.
Right. And the obstacles you see have attributes that were generated by an LFSR, including their size, their speed, and their location on the screen.
Yeah, and we implemented a feature where the players can control the layout of the obstacles. So over here, you'll see that when we turn switch 17 off, basically when there's a negative edge on switch 17, you'll see that basically everything resets, and you'll see that including the obstacles, they get a new layout. Basically they get a new speed, new size, and new location. So the player can choose to do that over and over again until they get a layout that they're satisfied with.
So, yeah, so say we like this, then now we can go run this race using this new layout.
And I guess that's about it for the demoing part.
Yes, and I would say the biggest challenge for us was probably learning the VGA code and how to get things to, like, understanding the starter code and how to move things across the screen.
Yeah. And also, it's, I guess one of the challenges was to implement the random number generator in a practical situation like this.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, so again, why this project is relevant to 258 because we use Verilogs, and we also use some ideas and concepts from the course, such as using an LSFR, and also a lot of these codes are basically from Lab 6, including basically the basic displaying screen part.
We also use plenty of counters and always blocks, and essentially a lot of the concepts we use in class.
Yeah, so I guess that's about it. I guess we'll do a demonstration.
A final demonstration.
Yeah, so again, Adam will be controlling the purple square, and I'll be controlling the blue square. And I guess we'll reset to the initial position first. Okay.
Okay.
So, 3,
2, 1. No. Oh no. Oh, Wilbur wins
So
again.
you see that I won. Yeah.
Alright.
That's it.
That's it. Thanks.